Moral stories. A long time ago, there lived a hare in a forest who was very proud of his speed. He would often tease the tortoise for being the slowest animal around. One fine day, he dared the tortoise to race against him in order to exhibit his speed in front of other animals of the forest. Fed up with the hare's bragging, the tortoise accepted the challenge and agreed to compete against him in a race. On the day of the race, all the animals of the forest gathered to watch the competition between the hare and the tortoise. Just as they were about to begin the race, the hare mocked the tortoise for accepting the challenge. The tortoise kept silent and didn't pay heed to the hare's words. The race began at the count of 1, 2, and 3. The hare immediately started running and the tortoise started at its usual slow pace. Soon the hare reached a long way ahead, almost a few yards from the finish line. He looked back to check if the tortoise was anywhere nearby. However, the tortoise was left far behind and almost could not be seen. The hare decided to pause and take some rest on the way before he completed the race. Soon the hare fell into a deep sleep and dreamt of winning the competition. Time passed and the sun was already setting when he suddenly woke up. He quickly jumped to check if the tortoise was around. To his dismay, the tortoise was just a few steps away from the finish line. Seeing the tortoise close to the finish line, the hare rushed towards it as fast as he could. However, it was too late and the tortoise finally crossed the finish line, thereby winning the competition. When the hare reached the point where the race ended, all the animals were laughing at him for losing the race to the tortoise. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race.